10.3 Nominal modification and verbal modification. The term nominal refer to noun and verbal here refer to verbs. Therefore, nominal modification means modification or change in verb sign. Both noun and verb can be modified in various ways to express various grammatical features. A few type of noun and verb modification found in Indian Sign Language are discussed. First, nominal modification. Expressing plural quantity, we can repeat a noun sign to indicate quantity or plural. For example, if we make a sign child, one time it is referred to a child. However, if we sign child 3 times, it's mean children or plural quantity of child. Similarly, many nouns such as tree, so it's mean trees. House means houses. Table, it's tables. It can be repeated indicating plural quantity. However, it's important to note that not only noun sign can be repeated to indicate plural quantity, but example sign like men, M-A-N, men. If we do, it's mean many means no. If we do sign apple, it's mean many apples, no. If we say chair, it's mean many chairs, no, etc. cannot be repeated. In such case, in case separate sign many or number sign used to indicate quantity, like 5, 7 chairs, there are 57 chairs, 8 bottles, and you can add many and for quantity numbers. Expressing time. If we look at sign for the time in Indian Sign Language, the sign itself usually include the number. Example, the sign for 2 hours. 2 hours include the concept of number 2 and concept of hour. The number is expressed through the hand shape and the concept of hour is expressed through other phonological parameters. Location at the wrist and movement, rotating movement. With the same location movement, the hand shape can be modified to indicate the number of hour. It can be 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, etc. Therefore, sign concept can be combined with numbers to indicate quantity of time. Similarly, sign with day, years can also be modified. Like many days. So now we will see the activity. In following sign, identify which noun sign can be repeated to indicate plural form, like book, ball, house, food, car. Like a sign of hour, which other sign related to the time can be combined with number. Try to identify 3 such signs. B. Verbal modification. So, verbal modification to show the object and subject of a sentence. This is done by changing direction and movement of orientation of both sign. For example, the sign give, give, give. इसका अपोजिट क्या है? take, take. The sign from the signer body towards the direction of indicating the signer is giving something. If the movement is opposite from example outside to inside the signer, then it's mean other person is giving to the signer, it's mean signer is taking. However, not all verbs can change movement and orientation. For example, like enjoy, like you can't do like it, enjoy, but you can't change it like it, cannot move. Next, activity. Find 10 sign in Indian Sign Language which direction of movement can be changed. To show the slide, the verb sign can be repeated at the same location in the same direction to indicate that the action has been done many times. For example, the sign help may be repeated to mean that help has been provided several times. The verb sign can be repeated at different location and the signing space to indicate that the verb action has been done for different recipient. In addition, adverb. About 10.2 sign can more. In text question 10.3, question number 1, true or false. Verb sign question number 2, all nouns can be repeated to indicate plural quantity. Question number 3, repeating noun sign and verb sign has the same. True or. Question number 2, choose the correct option. First, which of the following verb sign can be modified to indicate the subject object? सेकेंड का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, which of the following sign can combine with numbers to indicate item or periods? A, B past, C year. Last third, briefly discuss the various use that repeating a verb sign can have. 10.4, representation of time. In ISL, well as many sign related. Next, think about sign related the past yesterday, long time ago. Etc. These signs are made behind your shoulders. Also express recent. Past, the heart is just over the shoulder. However, to express time further in past, such as sign related to the present time are made right in front of the body. सो फ्रंट बॉडी में होगा जो भी हम साइन करेंगे नाउ, रिसेंट, and sign relating to the future are made further in front body signing space. तो नियर बॉडी नहीं, थोड़ा साइनिंग स्पेस थोड़ा मिड लेवल ऑफ हाई एंड द स्पेस साइनिंग स्पेस लाइक सून दैट एक्सप्रेस द क्लोज future are made around the middle space in terms like. Therefore, we can say that in Indian Sign Language, the past is represented behind the body, the presented in front, and future is represented in present and future. We get line एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे हम. ये प्रोफेसर उलिक ज़ीशान ने 2000 राइट में. द टाइमलाइन हेल्प्स इन easily expressing time concept, so sign for time can be modified according to the timeline. For example, if sign before made just over the shoulder, it's mean just before or recently. However, before is made higher further over the shoulder, just before कि बस और before बस अभी just recently, or but over the shoulder it's mean it refer time much before the present. In addition, as discussed in 10.2, time adverbs such as daily, after, next. इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. पहले ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट, in timeline the past represented behind, it's true or false. Next, the sign tomorrow is made over the shoulder, true or false. The timeline in ISL is from front to behind, true. All sign language have exactly the same timeline. Is it true or false? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करेंगे हम. फिलिंग the representation of time in space around a signer's body is called dash. Thank you.